What is going on, guys? BCD here, back with another quick video, and today I want to show you guys how to get a VIZIO to work properly with the PS5 if you just recently got it. So I've been going through some troubleshooting steps, and the one thing that actually ended up working is instead of using the HDMI 2.1 ports, if you have a normal standard HDMI 2.0, it should work fine. So if you are having issues with HDMI 2.1 as of now for your PlayStation 5, what you'll want to do is switch to a non-HDMI 2.1 port, and once you're in there, auto detection is not going to showcase it. This is mostly for the VIZIO OLED. This is the only one I tested, but there has been like sporadic things with everything else as well. So if you go into your settings, what I'm going to show you here, and you go to picture, and you go to input picture settings, and you go in your HDMI mode. As you can see, I am in HDMI mode 2.1, but my actual info shows that I am on HDMI 4. HDMI 4 is not a HDMI 2.1 port for the VIZIO OLED. It's only 2 and 3. So I went to HDMI 4 to actually get it to work. And then once you do that, it's still going to be in 1080p. That's when you go in here, you go into picture, and you manually switch it yourself to a 2.1 port. And at that time, it's going to actually switch it over, and it's going to allow the picture to come through, and it's going to allow it to come through at 4K with HDR. Let's see here, and I will show you that here as well. As you can see, it's automatic. My resolution is 2160, and if you go to video output information, you're going to see obviously I'm at 2160 or 4K, 60 hertz. Obviously, it's showing you what it's doing here. HDR is supported, frequencies and things like that. So that is the fix that I have currently. This is another workaround until they actually get the 2.1 support ready for Series X and PS5. But as of now, this is how you want to get your stuff to work, so you can at least get 4K 60 on your television to work with the PlayStation 5. That's pretty much it for me. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be putting up a lot of videos in regards to this television and as well as the PlayStation 5. So stick around. And I want to, as usual, thank you guys again for watching. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.